Welcome. My name is Thomas. This is part of my mentorship and coaching program. This program was designed for new tax professionals who want to make a career in this industry for themselves, not by themselves. So this here 15 practice problem basic income tax course is just that. It was created to be simple for the person just learning how to prepare individual 1040 tax returns. And based on my evaluation of you, if I believe you can handle more faster, then we can upgrade you to more complicated scenarios. This is the basic simple ones that I start everybody else with. So this here 15 practice problems were based on the 5 filing statuses. We have single, married filing joint, married filing separate, head of household, and qualifying surviving spouse. They changed the last one recently from qualifying widow to qualifying surviving spouse. But the qualifications are still the same, meaning if you were married but your spouse passed away and y'all had a dependent child to care for, then that's who that category is meant for. So like I said, this here 15 practice problems were made to be basic and simple in my opinion, but you'll let me know as you dive into the training if so. So we'll be doing a combination of using software to learn how to do taxes with, because it's going to allow you to learn how to do taxes and learn how to use the software all at the same time. Plus, I want to be able to order you your forms and schedules so you can be able to study at home with the actual paperwork that we train from versus always have to be on the computer to study, being able to have the forms and public cases with you so you can train at your own leisure. So I give you 2 options. You can do them, you can order them yourself, or I can do them on your behalf, whatever makes you feel comfortable. And so that's how that basically works. So if you want to have the forms of publications mailed on your behalf for you, just let me know and I'll order them for you. If you want to do it yourself, let me know and I'll send you a link that's going to take you to IRS.gov website, and it's going to have inside the email all the publications and forms you need to order. The forms you can order 20 at a time, publications you can order up to 5 at a time. So I suggest you order maybe at least 10 to 20 forms at a time of each one. Publications, you only need 1 or 2 of them, if that, because unless you plan on studying with other people and building a team right away, then yes, I will get multiple publications for the people that's going to be training and studying under you. So thank you for being a part of my mentorship and coaching program for new tax professionals, and I'll see you on the inside.